So this has been a kind of hectic day. The day has not been kind to me. From morning there is no power, so I was not able to charge my camera. So yeah, and I just missed sunset by a few minutes. Yeah, a few seconds actually, not even minutes. So I just came here. By the time I set up my camera, the sunset had gone down already. Yeah, you can see there's still the glow of sunset is still there. So I'm kind of setting up a time lapse of the sunset, and then like after sunset glow, would be able to capture that part of it. I have captured one or two frames just before the sun about to set. Um, Not satisfied with it. Anyway, let me go to my place and then check it how the images has come. This place is hardly few kilometers from the uh, Light and Life Academy where I used to study. So when I used to live here, I almost be here every other day. Not just to shoot, but to enjoy the sunset, take a drive. So when you're like bored with the day, that's a perfect. This is a perfect road to go for a drive. So I just take my bike and then we'll just go for a ride. Or if there is a sunset times, we just sit here and then watch sunset. And it's a beautiful view, not just to capture but also to sit and relax and enjoy that moment. So yeah, so I was hoping for that one such sunset for you guys. I don't think I will. It's gonna be good light again today. Uh, Probably tomorrow I'll come same place here and try to give you guys one frame that at least can justify whatever I'm explaining to you guys, that what I enjoyed over the last 1.5 years. So yeah, one frame. We'll try to get it tomorrow. So I'm early today. I have still few minutes for the sunset, and so the frame I'm looking at is there is this valley, and then there is this tea estates that creates kind of a curved lines that's leading up to the village behind this tea estates, and behind that village there is this mountain ranges. Because they are backlit, they create this amazing monochromatic view. Then the frame is mostly of the valley. It's very little of the sky will be in the frame. So yeah, I am just cutting that overexposed part. You can see the top light is completely cut. That's a hard graduated filter that's cutting out the top light. The harsh highlights on the top. Then there is valley, and you can see a bit of trees that's been exposed here. Yeah, so that's a setup. Two filters. Hard filter is just cutting out the top, and there is a soft filter just extended to the valley.